Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on the Watch Kaki channel, and it's yet another Seiko we're going to unbox today in the studio. And looking at this box here, it is not the usual type of Seiko. This is not the entry level one, and this one here belongs to a JDM model. Alright, and this watch here was kindly loaned in from my friend Hwee. Alright, the very same guy who loaned me the Tudor Black Bay BB58. Hwee is my good friend and he's a really nice guy. So let me just slip out the outer cover here, the outer sleeve, and you can see it's yet another Seiko diver. Okay, so this kind of box, I think it's only reserved for the JDM models, and I'm just going to flip open the box here to reveal what I've got inside. Ta-da! So just take a look at this beauty here. Alright, fantastic looking watch. This is the Violet Ocean Tuna. It is a limited edition from 2018, and my good friend Hwee managed to get one at a pretty good price, and he has very generously sent to me for unboxing even before receiving the watch himself. Okay, so what a great friend this guy is. Let's take a look at the reference number here. It is S23627J1. I believe this one here is also known as SBBN042 in the Japanese market. So, like the name implies, it's the Violet Ocean Tuna, because this one here, the shroud, is made of ceramic and metal. I think it's called Cermat. That's the official name. So, it's got this violet kind of a tinge going on. Right, it's not quite rose gold, and I really think this thing here just looks fantastic. Alright, it's definitely one of the high-end models. Alright, not the usual $300 to $500 Pro Specs diver. Okay, limited edition, and this one here, if I'm not wrong, is limited to 800 pieces. Okay, let me just try to see if I can get the serial number here. Okay, alright, as you can see here, it is 560/800, so limited edition, but for some reasons it is not the most popular, because as of today it is still not sold out. Alright, let me just unscrew the crown very quickly and do a very quick handset check, hand alignment check. So yeah, 12 o'clock here, 1 o'clock. Okay, so everything feels really good here. The crown action just feels very premium, very firm action here. Alright, so overall I think, from the feel of it, you already know this is a premium model and not one of the entry-level dive watches. And now, with all the packaging out of the way, let's take a closer look at the Violet Ocean Tuna. Looks very similar to the SBBN035, which has that all black kind of look when you look at it face on, but this one here just stands out from this violet rose gold looking shroud here. Alright, once again, I like to remind you, the material used is called Cermat, so it's a mix of ceramic and metal. I don't know how they do it, but well, they made it, so I sure hope this is some kind of a scratch resistant material, because ceramic is known for scratch resistance. Right, the strap here has got this print here: professional helium gas divers 1000 meters. So the main difference between this one and the SBBN031 and 035 is the depth rating here. So this one here is good for 1000 meters. Very, very good for doing laundry and washing the dishes. Just very useful when you've got a water resistance to 1000 meters. Alright, so even the hardware here is black, and I believe this is some kind of a DLC coating on the buckle. Not so sure on the strap keeper here. I think it is just IP coating. Alright, so I've got this tuna here ready for the side-by-side comparison. Okay, so from afar they look like pretty similar watches. Okay, so I didn't even bother to set the time on this one, but on closer inspection, you know for sure that this is the premium model. Alright, so all sorts of high grade material used here. The case back, if I'm not wrong, is titanium, okay, or at least some kind of ceramic. I got to read up on the official spec sheet. The case also made of titanium. And here's a really quick and fake wrist shot here. Alright, so as you can see, it's a huge watch. I believe it's close to 50mm case size. Okay, but thanks to the non-existent lux here, hidden lux or no lux at all, I sort of managed to, you know, wear this one without looking overly ridiculous. It does look a little bit ridiculous, okay, but not overly ridiculous. And overall, I would say everything looks really good here. This is a premium or high-end tuna here. Definitely not the lower end or entry-level kind of things here, okay? Stay tuned for the full-length review. I'll spend some time with the watch and I'll give you my thorough report and review on how much I like this one and whether it is indeed, you know, worth its price as a limited edition Seiko. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.